Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Pontiac GTO convertible with a 389 with the tri-power and a 4-speed transmission. And this one sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $41,000. And this car looks like it was restored. The paint was newer. Everything seemed like it was maybe an older restoration, but all the chrome was done and the trim was definitely done recently, except for the rear taillight piece, which they don't reproduce. So that one with the pocket metal is hard to redo. So those are usually not in the greatest of shape on these, unless you can find one on a wreck car or something, which those are hard to find anyway. But 1964 is the first year for the GTO. And production number-wise, they made a total of 32,450 GTOs in 1964. And out of that, 6,644 were convertibles. And they had two-door hardtops, 18,422. The post coupes, 7,384. And that takes you to 32,450 total. As far as the engines went, the 4-barrel, the 389 with the 4-barrel, 24,205 of the 32,450 had the 389 4-barrel engine. And then 8,245 had the 389 with the tri-power, which is what this guy is. So that's roughly about 25% of the total production had the tri-power. So that would be about 1,500 and some odd convertibles had the tri-power. So this guy's a pretty rare one. And that 389 engine had 10 3/4 to 1 compression. With the 4-barrel, it had 325 horsepower, and then the tri-power gave you 348 horsepower. They did have two different 4-speed transmissions available, the wide ratio M20 and the close ratio M21. And I'm not sure which one this one had because there weren't any seller notes on it, so it was hard to tell. And the GTOs had a 115-inch wheelbase. They were 206.4 inches long and 74.4 inches wide. And Pontiac thought they were going to sell about 5,000 of them in 1964, and they ended up selling 32,450. And probably could have sold more if they would have been tooled up for it, but they weren't. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1964 Pontiac GTO convertible with the 389 engine with the tri-power, with a 4-speed transmission, and 97,885 miles. That sold for $41,000 at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.